Hi, I'm Nicole Belanda. I'm the Customer Advocacy Program Manager at Rockwell Automation, and we're here to talk about results achieved. I'm joined by Prabhu from the Falcon Group to talk about some great results that they've achieved.
Falcon Group was established in 1989 in Dubai. Our base company was Falcon Mechanical Services, which is the parent company still now. We are mainly into precision machining and steel fabrication services. We provide these kind of services to our oil and gas customers and multiple other industries in Dubai.
Well, we're very grateful to have the opportunity to partner with the Falcon Group. Rockwell Automation really appreciates our partnership. And you're the first Rockwell Automation certified systems integrator for using auto, is that correct?
Exactly, yes. Luckily the team in Dubai, the Rockwell team in Dubai is very cooperative, very helpful. When it comes to industrial automation, there are companies which are handling their core activities as PLCs, SCADA programming, which is the basis of Allen Bradley and the origination of Allen Bradley products. And for us, since we already have our base strong, we just thought we should invest more of our time, energy, effort in all specialized projects. So we found there is a lot of gap in the country where we live in, which is United Arab Emirates, which is still looking for a lot of advanced technologies.
So we know you've been using PTC ThingWorx for a long time to help customers with industrial Internet of Things applications. Can you explain how you've used this in your own facilities?
So ThingWorx, when we talked about the problems that we faced, which is the efficiency monitoring. So the biggest challenge we have faced was the most busiest machine. The machine which used to run for 24 hours, 7 days a week and 365 days a year was the first machine which we put on trial. So we said, whatever sensors or programs or algorithms, whatever you want to boot it in, do it and show me the result. I want to know what exactly this can do. After 3 months, we realized the machine's efficiency was very, very negligible. It was a shocking number of 8%.
So you went to that first machine, that was your first target, and it sounds like the efficiency you saw on it was much less than what you were expecting to see after you put sensors in place and PTC ThingWorx in place to read that data. What did you take as a next step?
We realized there is a lot of downtimes, and we were so shocked to see why the downtimes are. When we did a downtime analysis, we told our operators and supervisors to be open, be frank in sharing us what is the reason for these machine stoppages. So let us understand the reason, and we'll see if possible we can try to figure it out, how to sort this out.
I'm so curious, what were their answers? What was the causes of these little downtimes?
The unavailability of cranes. The machine is open, waiting for tools, waiting for fixtures. The product is on the machine, but there are no programs. The programs is already done, but the simulation was not done. So it has to get back to the simulator and do a simulation, do a run check. The program is halfway done, so half machining is done. We are waiting for the quality inspector to pop in and do the inspection. So these were multiple, shall we say, problems which caused these downtimes. So we did an analysis. We summarized, okay, these are the downtimes. And then we said, let's do, I always love to adapt to this Pareto principle, which talks of 80-20, right? Mm-hmm. So let's understand which is causing 80% of these downtimes. So we can target that first, get rid of it, then we can work on the 20%. The main thing were a few activities wherein our investment is required, wherein crane. You just put one more crane there, it's straight away 5 minutes a day is saved. So this is what we started implementing in place. After implementation of all this from 8% within 9 months time, we managed to see there is a drastic increase of 38%.
So starting with the data, you understood your current state, and it was maybe a little surprising, and it inspired you to learn and to improve, and you got all the way up to 38%. That's a huge jump in 9 months. And by this point, you've got ThingWorx on multiple machines, you've got data coming from across your plant, and you become a lighthouse facility in your region for how to do this. That's very cool.
This is our aim, I should say. Becoming a lighthouse is not so easy because in our entire region there is only one lighthouse factory, which is a dark factory by Unilever. So that is the only lighthouse. So they are in the mass production. We don't want to compete with them. So ours is a discrete manufacturing. This is our intention.
Let's talk about auto robots and how that has played a role in your facilities too.
Okay, so the AMRs, which is autonomous mobile robots, is a very new term for us and also for the entire region. But last November when I came and I saw the auto robots in action in the automation fair, I said this is the key. This is something really very, very important for the region. When you talk about discrete manufacturing like us or specialized fabrication services like us, why do I need a small machine to carry a product from point A to point B? So in that case, we decided, okay, let us analyze how this can help us in improving our lean systems in our facility. Ours is a 65,000 square feet based out of Dubai Investment Park. And in 65,000 square feet, a store can be in one corner. Diagonally opposite will be a machine. A machine operator needs a tool. He has to travel all the way from here. So we just did a, shall we say, a spaghetti drawing, marking how the person travels from point A to point B during the entire year. We found out one gentleman was traveling 900 kilometers a year.
He was getting his steps in.
Yeah. He could be going out for his break. He could be going out for collecting a tool. His gloves is broken. He need to get a new one, or his safety glasses, or many things where a man movement is necessary. We have integrated this auto, wherein you have a tablet. Every machine has a tablet, and the programmer feeds in directly to the tablet. And the tablet has got, okay, I need tools now, click the button. The auto goes to the tool store. And this message is already conveyed to the store. So the stores keep a box of tools ready for this machine, put a sticker on it, and it's kept on the auto pallet. Auto brings the tool directly to the machine.
Oh, I love that. What an interesting application of AMRs. So you're really enhancing what your operators can do. You're reducing their running back and forth travel time, and instead having the AMRs bring the materials they need right to them.
Exactly. We should utilize the robots to make our work more efficient.
Very cool. Well, thank you so much for making the time to come here and share your story with us. It's exciting to hear the change that you were able to make in just 9 months, and even more exciting to think about you taking that out into your region and your community and sharing that with other companies.
Thank you very much, Nicole.